Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I'm AmandaMuse and today we're gonna get it done for fall. I'm talking yard work, we're getting the flu shot, we're gonna be doing the seasonal clothing turnover, all the little things that kind of pop up this time of year. There's something that tells me that it took having children to start to realize the importance of getting a flu shot annually. And now it's just one of those things that's on my fall to-do list, and we take care of it and we plan for it and we make time to get it done, and it gives me peace of mind knowing that we are protected and we're protecting those members of our community that are far more vulnerable and at a much higher risk should they contract something like the seasonal flu. Are you scared?
No.
Not at all. Is that the arm you're gonna do?
I don't know, because I'm a lady.
That's okay. That means you write with this hand, right?
Yes.
You write with your right hand, so we're gonna do your left arm.
I do.
High five me. Yeah.
That didn't even hurt.
Nice work.
It didn't even hurt my
Amazing. There must be something in the water because both of my kids have gone through massive growth spurts. Let's declutter. So we've made it to Jack's room, and this is his clothing setup. As you can see, as we get towards the end of the season, you have all the summer things mixed in with all the winter things, and now nothing fits. So for Jack, we have this clothing storage, and then we have a closet, and I feel like he's at that age where everything kind of needs to be in here. We're gonna go through his clothes together, that way he feels, you know, he's picked items he's actually gonna wear. We'll decide what can we donate, what can we keep for next year, and yeah, what are we gonna keep in the drawers? Let's see. So these shorts still fit. There we go. Okay, what else we got? These, what do you think? I feel like they're a bit short, but you still kind of wear them.
Let me see what they do.
They fit. You don't really like them? Are you sure? Okay, these are iffy. We'll hold on to the maybe yes.
Wait,
Laundry day
what
pants.
are those? Oh,
that's the summer. So what's gonna go in the summer pile?
I know.
These are new.
Oh, these are. No, I never flew any of these.
I know, but you know what? I will have to buy you new ones. You know why?
They fit.
Yeah, tight. You like your booty all tight shorts? Put them in here. I'm gonna buy you new ones for next summer, I promise.
Oh, I'm so sweet.
Favorite shorts?
Yeah.
Oh, you're so sweet. Oh, don't be sad. Okay, we'll keep them.
I'll throw memories on.
Sorry. See, then what we do...
Oh, those are garbage.
No, these are good.
Yeah.
So what you do...
Oh, what about?
Money! Is that for me?
I'm hiding that.
You hide it. Good for
Wait,
Jack.
actually, I'm gonna pay you.
Oh, for this work? I
Yeah.
appreciate it. What's my going rate for clothing declutter?
So I can only pay you coins because all my legal money is in the bank.
You know what? Keep the change.
No.
Give me a smooch. It's fun. Esme makes these yummy orange smoothies.
This fits.
I tell you, as you guys get older, this clothing turnover is way easier. I get help, I get drinks, I get paid. Hello. So much more organized, only the things he actually likes to wear. Ha! Amazing. Drawers close. Love it. I'm now in Esme's room, and here's the beauty of older children. I had mentioned to her that I wanted to sit down and do this seasonal declutter, and honestly, she did it herself. So she's got a ton of clothes right here and right here, and I'm just gonna do a once-over with her because I did do some laundry since she went and did her own declutter. I'm telling you, there's magic in your children aging. Also, she has a cousin who is a couple years older than her, 2 years older, and so she got a ton of hand-me-downs, which was incredible because it saved me a fortune on having to go out and buy her all sorts of warmer clothes because her cousin hooked her up. Esme's got a similar setup, except she has a little lizard on the top of her dresser. Nico is around. You may get a visit from her shortly.
Say hey.
But we're gonna go through same things. She's got 3 drawers here and then a closet full of items. Closet and everything have mostly been, you know, sorted through, but we're gonna do just a quick once over, both of us together. Okay, what about this? This
That's
is
a
kind
dress
of,
that I tailored.
I know, but I mean, is this like
I made it.
for keeping
now.
like a memory box?
Yeah.
Or- okay.
It's like one of those.
Look how tidy and organized.
That's all my,
that's
all my
it.
shirts?
That's your shirts for now, aside from what's in the laundry downstairs.
But what about those?
Those are for jammies.
Oh.
We've cleaned up that spot.
Wait,
All right. Summer things so far. We have some things that we have to throw away because not everything you can donate, like older socks and undergarments and things like that.
To anything I put on.
I say if you don't love it, don't keep it. Someone else will love it. I think Esmé's closet has had the biggest makeover just yet. We ended up with 3 full bags of clothes that are too small, we don't like, and need to be donated, and are in still good shape. So now we have a better idea of what she's got for the season, and also way nicer and way more decluttered. Love it. In my closet, I've got some bins that have my winter clothes. So I'm gonna go through these and swap out the winter for the summer and see if there's anything I need to get rid of. And there we have it. So we've got a combo of the kids and Dean's things, my things. I have just more clothes than everybody in the house. And I switched over all my winter stuff. And of course, I've put all the things away nicely. Things are looking very sharp. I'm thrilled. It's a lot of work, but it's worth it. And so far, this is the donation pile, and the black bag is simply those things that need to be thrown away. I mean, we've done pretty good, and that's just their closets. I still have a few things to tackle downstairs, but otherwise, mission accomplished. Maybe involving the most work, but goodness me, the before and after gets me every time. Yard work. I've downloaded a podcast, you know it's some true crime. If I have a look of fear on my face as I'm doing my chores, you know what I'm listening to. Dean actually always stops me and he's like, "Are you okay?" Because I look so stressed. Oops. Anyway, so yard work, we're going to mow the lawn because I feel like we're getting to that point. This is probably the last time I have to mow the lawn. So mow the lawn, see what's going on in the garden beds, and maybe I'm just gonna focus on the front of the yard today. One frustrating thing is that occasionally I can't start this lawnmower because it's a pull one, and if she hasn't been started in a bit, it takes her a minute to get there. Makes sense? There she is. Beautiful used lawnmower that will do the trick. That at this point is being held together by duct tape. So we'll see how this goes, but she'll last another couple goes. I do have some fun yard tools I've been wanting to try. I got a leaf blower recently. I'm waiting for those leaves to fall. And I do, I'm slowly adding things as the years go by. I've got this little insert that goes into the paper bags to hold your bag upright, which makes it easier to put all the things that you're trying to put away. So there's a couple things that I'm hoping to get to. I think I got to charge a battery, so get on that. Hopefully I can start that lawnmower. Fingers crossed. I'm actually going to cut most of this down. I do think these look so pretty, but a few of these things it's time to get cut down. Not so bad. How many bags? 3, 6, 7 bags just for the front yard. I took down this. I did not weed it. No need. Not when you get to the end of the season, And raked under that tree. And of course, brought it all down here on the side of the house. So proud of myself. It's a lot of work. I can't decide which part of this video is more satisfying for me personally. Like, is it the yard work that takes so long, I dread doing, but once it's done, I'm super thrilled? Or is it the fact that my one child, who often causes a lot of pushback about anything involving a needle, took it like a champ, no tears? Guys, moving up in the world. This is a very positive sign. I'm very hopeful. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.